in 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Run around like idiots.
Okay! Oh, I fell! Ow! I fell!
That was good.
Let's see.
I don't think it would have been 30 minutes.
That was 30 seconds.
About.
Okay.
What can we do in 2 minutes? In about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Random dancing.
Stare at Gray.
Stare at the bald bird. So bald. Hi. Nice to meet you.
We're in the attic.
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Gee.
Random singing.
When I grow up, I want to be famous, I want to be a star, I want to have movies. When I grow up, be on TV, people know me, be in magazines. I forget the rest.
Wow, this is the longest 3 minutes and
I know.
the longest 3 minutes and 15 seconds ever.
That bird is so weird.
Let's try cat treat.
Cat treat. Okay.
They probably smell as bad as they taste.
Yeah, I do need to try one first.
Make it look like a new The cat could get that.
She ate it. She ate it.
I'll be able to taste that for a lifetime. Oh my gosh, only 30 seconds. Only 30.
How about random cartwheel?
30. No, 30 seconds. Random somersault. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Random jumping jack.
What a workout. Okay, let's stop now.